morning, teacher.
Good morning. Children, listen. I have to tell you something very important. In a few days from now, your exams are starting. So you all start studying from now on.
Yes, teacher.
Well, children, yesterday I told you to study a lesson on radiation. Did you all study that?
We did, teacher.
So, now tell me for what other uses radiation is used.
Teacher, me.
Chintu, you tell me.
Teacher, yesterday I read that the radiation can be used in diagnosing and treating cancer.
Yes, you did a good job. For diagnosing cancer or any other disease, we take X-rays or undergo the CT scans. In that, radiation is being used. And children, with the help of radiation, even dangerous diseases like cancer can be treated. By using radiation, cancer cells can be destroyed. And every year, the lives of lakhs of cancer patients are saved.
Wow, this is very good. But ma'am, apart from this, can radiation be used for any other purpose too?
Yes, Reena. Not only treatment, but along with fields, health, research, radiation can be used in several other industries.
Teacher, please tell us about these uses too.
Okay, children. First tell me, if we keep vegetables like potatoes and onions in our house for a long time, what happens?
They start sprouting.
Yes, correct. By using radiation, we can stop these vegetables from sprouting. In that way, we can keep them fresh for a much longer time. Okay, now tell me, if we keep things like chole and rajma in our house for a long time, what happens?
Teacher, we see worms wriggling in that.
Very good, Pinky. You said it right. But children, do you know that by using radiation, we can keep these things good for a longer time? This process is called irradiation.
Teacher, can we keep other things good for a long time by using radiation?
Yes, Chintu. By using radiation, we can protect fruits from ripening faster. In that way, they can stay fresh for a longer time. Not only that, for mutton and poultry products also, it is proven that radiation is very useful. By using radiation, harmful bacteria present in them can be destroyed, and therefore they will have a longer shelf life. So in these ways, radiation is useful in keeping many things good for a longer time.
Ma'am, I also read that with the help of radiation we can also produce new types of crops.
Yes, it is true. And do you know that these new types of crops can tackle pests in much better way? Now tell me, apart from these, in what other ways can radiation is useful?
Teacher, me.
Alok, you tell me.
Teacher, my father is a doctor. Once he told me that by using radiation, several medical equipments can be sterilized. Because of this, the danger of getting infected by the microorganisms present in them can be destroyed, and they will be free from the danger of spreading of infections.
Absolutely right, Alok. Children, apart from this, radiation can be used in many other activities. For example, for locating the cracks in pipes and buildings, to check the baggage in airport, checking the submarines, for checking the liquid levels kept in big tanks in factories, and radiation is useful in many other ways too. Moreover, can you see the smoke detector fixed above? Radiation is used in that too.
So many uses. Then radiation must really be a good thing.
Yes, children. Contrary to what some people say, radiation is not at all dangerous or a bane, but this is a boon to all of us.